Hey guys, Sean and Alice again. We are back at it with another new listing, 4008 Woodridge
Road in Panama City. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath with a totally fenced-in backyard. It's really cute, perfect first-time home buyers.
We would love to show it to you guys in person. In fact, why don't you watch some of the video footage of the backyard and inside this cute little home. Well, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this little tour of this home.
We would love to show it to you. Our contact information is below. Please give us a call.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Click on the button.